In this video, I'm going to cover the installation process for HMC voice command software for 3D Coat. I'm going to bring up the web page and I will provide a link to it in the description below. But to install the 3D Coat version, you would go to the Trial Versions tab, then click on 3D Coat Trial Version. It is currently in the beta stage and a 30-day trial version is offered. We are not affiliated with this company in any way. It's just that this is an incredibly useful aid for 3D Coat users. However, one caveat is that it is only for Windows 7 through 11. You can access the download file from this link, and you can find the product key for the trial located here at the bottom. You will want to paste that when it's asked for during the installation. The download will be in the form of a zip file, which you will need to unzip. Once unzipped, you would want to go inside the folder and right-click on the installation file. Then choose Run as Administrator. Once that is done, it's going to install entries in the scripts folder. But if you happen to have changed the location of your data folder, you would want to point to that new location during the installation. Another important point to remember is that when installing, make sure to have 3D Coat closed. That way it can install the menu items correctly in the scripts folder. Once you have installed it, you would want to open 3D Coat, come to the scripts menu, and you will see a section at the bottom here for this voice command software. The top one will start the software and you will hear an audible voice mentioning that it's waiting and ready for voice commands. Then you have Voice Command Help, which will take you to a help page for this software. List voice commands will bring up a text file that shows all the different commands. And then repeat voice command. During the installation process, you'll have a pop-up that goes into detail about this process. Over this option, you would hover your cursor over it and hit the End key, that's END, on your keyboard, and then assign it the letter U. Keep in mind that if you have the letter U or hotkey U assigned to anything else in 3D Coat, you would want to change that assignment. And with that, we will conclude this video on the installation of the software. But the next one will be a practical application of it, and I think you will be extremely impressed. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching.